Okay, here is the first Thayer box that you sent for repairs. Now this box has the bottom latch on it to retain the gimmick piece, this piece here. However, this box does not have a typical lock on it. In other words, this knob doesn't go up and down. There is no lock on this. So we put that in. When you put it in, of course, you're going to put it in and take it out. When you take it out like this, you take it out on an angle, and that will keep that from moving there. So that's the only way to make this box work. I mean, I could add a magnet or something in there, but it wouldn't be original. And this is the way it works. So then that's when you show your first showing, and then you go in and you push the retainer, and now, well, this is you push the retainer and you show the box empty at the start, and then you come in, let the retainer go, and when it comes out, it will work. Now, you have to tilt it to do it, though, and gravity will keep it there. But that's the only way. I didn't have to do anything with this box, but that's the only way it will work. This is the second Thayer box. Problem with this one was that over time the wood had swelled up a little, and this was not going in all the way to properly operate. So the first thing I did was to rework the inside of this, so now that this will go in nice and smooth. That's very important for the locking. Second thing is that there's a pin here, and that pin was missing, and that's the pin that locks the load chamber. So for your first display of this, you're going to close the box like that, and to open it and show the box empty, you're going to tilt it like this, and you're going to lock that inner box. Oops. So now you can, at the beginning, you can show the box empty. Then you're going to close it, tilt it again, move your knob down, and when you open it now, the load chamber is in and you've produced your load. So this works fine now. Now you want to be careful that you don't lose that pin. So on the when you produce the load, you may want to leave it in there like that to keep the pin in. If you do take it out, I think you want to make sure you put your finger over it so you don't lose that pin. But anyway, this works fine now. And here again, here's the load chamber. Now I'm going to lock it back. And now the load chamber is in here, and this is the open box. So this is the second box, and this one I just did the rework on that and replaced the pin. This is the library card index box. There's the card holder, and this is the control on this. So to start the trick, to show the box initially empty, this has the same pin locking as the original Thayer has. So, and I'll show that to you when we open it out. So to show the box empty, you're going to tilt it to you like that, and you'll hear a little click. And then you're going to raise this up and give it a quarter turn to lock it in that position. And now, when you open it up, you'll be able to show the box empty. Close it. That, tilt it away from you, and lock it down, lock it in place, and when you take it out, you'll have your index cards, just like that. When this box is full, the index cards weigh about 4.5 pounds, so it's fairly heavy. But it does work fine, as you can see, and so we're going to tilt it again. And now the index cards are gone. And that is the library index card. And again, let me take this way. Tilt it back. Here again, the pin is in there, and you want to be real careful that you don't lose it. Okay, and that is the completed library card.